Once you're all organized, you can essentially start to relax and enjoy yourself because the hardest part of preparing is over. Thank you so much. Because Mighty Networks has created such a user-friendly interface, setting up your courses has never been quicker or easier. Thank you. In your party planner is a checklist of all the things you need to consider, as well as some best practices for setting up your courses.
Smile!
Once you've completed the party planner exercises, carry on to the next 4 short video lessons that will guide you to set up each individual element of your course, so your audience can start enjoying some organized party activities. Oh, I love this song, come dance!